Visit Nepal Year 2020 लाई सहयोग पुर्याउने उद्देश्यले विभिन्न कूटनीतिक नियोग र ज्ञानार्जन कार्यक्रम अगाडि बढाएको देखिन्छ। बेलायतमा रहेको नेपाल एम्बेसीले 22 वटा विभिन्न कमिटीहरू, प्रचार प्रसार समिति, सामाजिक सञ्जाल समिति, पर्यटन प्रवर्धन समिति, व्यापार तथा लगानी समिति गरी विभिन्न कार्यहरू अगाडि बढाउँदै आएको छ। नेपाल भ्रमणलाई सहयोग पुर्याउनको लागि सबैको सहयोगको अपेक्षा समेत गरिएको देखिन्छ। हेरौं, नेपाल सरकारले विभिन्न संघ संस्था, एनआरएन लगायत कूटनीतिक नियोगहरूसँग सहकार्यहरू गरेर नेपाल भ्रमणलाई विदेशमा व्यापक रूपमा प्रचार प्रसार गर्नको लागि जरुरत पनि देखिएको छ।
Honorable Mr. Bhattacharya has actively participated in every democratic and republican movement of Nepal. Honorable Mr. Bhattacharya has been regarded as an ardent champion of democratic and federal movements of Nepal and as a strong advocate for civil rights and human rights, not only at home, but also in the globe. Minister Mr. Bhattacharya is widely regarded as one of the most skilled and accomplished young politicians of Nepal. Minister Mr. Bhattacharya is in the United Kingdom to participate in the World Tourism Market being held from 4 to 6 November. He is also scheduled to have other important meetings while in London. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, I wish to begin my welcome speech by sharing with you all a good and great news in the history of mountaineering, that is, a Nepalese named Mr. Nirmal Purja Nims, a former Gorkha soldier, maintained a record of climbing all 14 higher mountains of the world, which are higher than 8,000 meters this year, last month. I take this opportunity to congratulate Mr. Nirmal Purja and salute him for this historic achievements.
We are honored to have all of you here this evening. Long live Nepal-Britain relations. I thank you all.
Minister, namaste. I feel that it's a little bit like being in a Donald Trump rally here this evening. But rather than making Nepal great again, let's keep Nepal great.
Visit Nepal 2020 is a great campaign to get more awareness of what the country has to offer. More than actually just the life experiences of the mountaineer, there's much more activities you can experience in the country.
His Excellency Dr. Durgabhadur Subedi, Honorable Member of Parliament Matthew, Ms. Rebecca Stephen, the first British woman to climb the Mount Everest, Mr. Kenton Cole, the 14th time Everest summiters from the United Kingdom, the Jack of Media Group, representative of Jack of Media Group, representatives from the United Kingdom and Nepal, especially Tourism Association, CEO of PATA, CEO of Nepal Tourism Board, and newly elected Chairperson Poonamji, NRN UK, and distinguished guests, media friends, ladies and gentlemen, good evening and namaste. Nepal and the United Kingdom have the longest diplomatic relations. In 2016, we marked bicentennial anniversary of our diplomatic ties. Nepal and United Kingdom have been maintaining close and multi-faceted relations over these 203 years. We have fought war together. We have built nation together, and we have maintained peace together in different parts of the world. Thanks to great workers, we have always helped cement our relation at all times of history. The United Kingdom